In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper glass for your Chevy Silverado side mirror. This will be located on the side of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to remove the upper glass. All around the side of the mirror there is going to be clips in a circular formation. We're going to pull up on the clip. As we pull up on the clip, we're going to push the glass forward. Have one finger on the outside of the glass to catch it if it pops off. Once you get enough of the clips popped, you'll be able to pull the glass off of the mirror. These were all of our clips. As I was going around, I was pulling up on them on all of these tabs. Just pulling up on this tab. Remove the two connectors. Grab your new glass, and we're going to install the 3 metal tabs. Just push them into place. Install the connectors onto the connections. Give them a pull, make sure they're locked on. Line the tabs up with the motor. Push in the middle of the mirror, snapping in all of the clips. Give the corners a pull, make sure all of the clips are seated, and you're good to go.